Hi, hello guys. We are seeing about the subject verb agreement part 2. Rule number 8. If any sentence are there in a subject begins, that means near, statement about that either of, neither of, none of. The subject, plural or singular noun are there in the sentence. The verb is always followed by singular. Given the examples below the line. Example number 1. Either of the boys dash got a prize. You can see the boys is a plural noun, but statement about that either of is the subject. So the verb is always singular. Rule number 9. If any sentence are there in the subject begins, that means near, statement about that, no or someone. It is followed by singular noun. It takes a singular verb, or by the plural noun. It takes a plural verb. Given the examples below the line. Example number 1. Some water dash left in the pot. You can see the sentence water is a singular noun. So the verb is always singular. Example number 2. Some girls dash gone a picnic. You can see that girls is a plural noun. So the verb is always plural. Rule number 10. You can see that any sentence begins with fractions. The verb agrees with the noun that follows the fraction. Given the examples below the line. Example number 1. 2 by thirds of acid dash evaporated. About to make the sentence acid is a singular noun. So the verb is always singular. Example number 2. 2 by thirds of cakes dash parcel. You can see the sentence cakes are a plural noun. So the verb is always plural. Rule number 11. Make about the statements such that a crowd of, a flock of, a group of. You can see that plural or singular noun is takes a singular verb. Given the examples below the line. Example number 1. A crowd of people dash shooting slogans. Last one we are discussing about that rule number 7. People is a plural word. We also think the gap is filled with plural verb, but it's wrong. Sentence such that total group. So the sentence represents that singular verb. Rule number 12. Statements represents that a number is followed by plural word. The number is followed by singular word. We are discussing about the examples. Example number 1. A number of children dash suffering from fever. So given the statement represents goes to a number is a plural word. So the blank is filled by plural verb. Example number 2. The number of patients dash in their hospitals. Patients is a plural noun, but given the statements, the number is a singular word. So the blank is filled with singular verb. Rule number 13. Given the statements like such that mathematics, physics, economics, news, and etc. represents that uncountable nouns. So the verb is always singular. Example number 1. Physics dash my favorite subject. Physics is a uncountable noun that takes a singular verb.